Welcome to our in-depth exploration of the science of aging and rejuvenation. In this video, we will be taking a look at the latest research on how we can reverse the aging process and improve our health and longevity. Here are some of the most highly regarded scientific articles on the topic of reverse aging, and I'm also going to make the follow-up videos about these articles to make more information and discuss about these things further. First article is the reversal of epigenetic aging and immunosenescent trends in humans, published in 2019 by Craig Fahey. This study explored the use of combination of 3 drugs to reset the epigenetic clock and improve immune function in elderly individuals. The results showed a significant reduction in biological age and improvement in immune function. The next article is Senolytic Improve Physical Function and Increase Lifespan in Old Age, published in 2020 by Ming Zhu. This study investigated the effect of senolytic drugs on physical function and lifespan in mice. The results showed that senolytics improved physical function and extended lifespan by up to 36%. The third article is Targeting Cellular Senescence or Age-Related Diseases, a Hallmark of Aging, published in 2020 by Darren J. Baker. This review article discusses the role of cellular senescence in aging and age-related diseases. It highlights the potential of senolytic drugs to target and eliminate senescent cells and improve health span. The fourth article we are going to discuss is Aging as a Biological Target for Prevention and Therapy by James L. Kirkland. This review article discusses the emerging field of geroscience, which focuses on understanding the biological mechanisms of aging and developing interventions to prevent or reverse age-related diseases. It highlights the potential of senolytic drugs as well as other interventions such as caloric restriction and exercise to improve health span and lifespan, as well as other interventions such as caloric restriction and exercise to improve health span and lifespan. The fifth article, the final one, is Rejuvenation of Regeneration in the Aging Central Nervous System, published in 2019 by Dongsheng Su. This review article discusses the age-related decline in regeneration in the central nervous system and the potential of interventions such as gene therapy and stem cell transplantation to improve regeneration and reverse aging in the brain. By the way, you have to note that these articles are just few examples of vast amount of research that is being conducted in the field of reverse aging, and it is important to keep in mind that much research is needed and it is in the early stages. Don't take this as a manual for reverse aging process. If you are interested, don't use it for a manual for the how to make a gene to make yourself as an X-Man, a Wolverine. It doesn't work like that. Let's keep going. Scientists have made incredible breakthrough in the field of aging research in recent years, including experiments with mice that have shown promising results in the reversal of aging. Mice experiment on reverse aging. Today we are going to dive into an exciting scientific study that's been making headlines recently. A mice experiment that could hold the key to reversing aging. Aging is a complex process that's been studied for decades, but researchers have recently made some groundbreaking discoveries in this area. In this video, we are going to take a closer look at the study, explain what it means for aging research, and discuss some potential implications for human health. First, let's talk about what the study entailed. The research team at the Mayo Clinic in the US conducted a study on mice that were genetically engineered to age quickly. These mice had a mutation that caused them to develop age-related diseases at an accelerated rate, so they were a good model for studying the aging process. The researchers then used a combination of 2 drugs to reset the biological clock of the mice. The researchers then used a combination of 2 drugs to reset the biological clock of the mice, effectively reversing their aging process. The first drug used in the experiment was called dasatinib. It's a chemotherapy drug that's been used to treat cancer patients, but it's also been shown to eliminate senescent cells in the body. Senescent cells are the cells that have stopped dividing and can no longer perform their normal functions. They are associated with aging and age-related diseases, so removing them is thought to be a promising way to reverse aging. The second drug used in the experiment was quercetin, a natural compound found in many fruits and vegetables. Quercetin has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and it's been shown to improve physical performance and reduce the risk of age-related diseases. When the two drugs were administered to the mice, the researchers found that the mice cells began to behave like younger cells. They were able to repair themselves more effectively, and they didn't show the signs of cellular damage and senescence that would normally be associated with aging. The mice also showed improvements in their physical performance, such as running faster on a treadmill, and they had longer lifespans than control mice. So, what does this mean for aging research? Well, the study provides some exciting evidence that it might be possible to reverse the aging process. While the study was conducted on mice, the finding could have implications for human health as well. If the same drug could be used to reset the biological clock in humans, it could potentially prevent or treat age-related diseases and improve quality of life. It's important to note, however, that this is just one study, and more research is needed to fully understand the potential of these drugs for reversing aging in humans. The study also raises some ethical questions about the use of chemotherapy drugs and the potential side effects of long-term use. In conclusion, the mice experiment on reverse aging conducted at the Mayo Clinic is an exciting development in aging research. While there is still much to learn about the potential of these drugs for humans, the study provides evidence that it may be possible to reverse some of the effects of aging. As always, more research is needed to fully understand the implications of this study, but it's a promising step forward in the fight against aging. Ayurvedic medicinal plants. Ayurvedic medicine, a traditional Indian system of medicine, has also shown promise in the treatment and prevention of cancer, with numerous medicinal plants having been identified as having anti-cancer properties. Stem cells. Stem cells are a type of cells that have the unique ability to differentiate into many different types of cells in the body. Researchers have found that increasing the number of stem cells in the body can help promote regeneration and repair, leading to improved health and longevity. Epigenetic aging. One key aspect of aging is epigenetic changes, which can lead to the impairment of cellular function and the development of age-related diseases. However, in a landmark study in 2019, researchers were able to reverse epigenetic aging in humans using a combination of growth hormone and two diabetes drugs. Senolytics. Another promising approach to reversing aging is the use of senolytics, a class of drugs that can selectively eliminate senescent cells, which are cells that have stopped dividing and can contribute to the age-related diseases. In a study in 2020, researchers found that senolytics improved physical function and increased lifespan in old age. CNS regeneration. The aging central nervous system also undergoes numerous changes that impair its ability to regenerate and repair. However, researchers have found that rejuvenation of CNS regeneration is possible through various interventions such as activating neural stem cells, modulating the immune system, and targeting specific molecular pathways. Lifestyle interventions such as exercise have also been shown to improve health and longevity in aging individuals. The science of aging and rejuvenation is a rapidly evolving field, with new breakthroughs and discoveries being made every day. While Much more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms of aging and develop effective rejuvenation therapies. The potential benefits of these interventions are promising for the future of aging research. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. Stay tuned for more updates on the science of aging and rejuvenation and other topics. Yeah, actually, I'm planning to make much better videos on these topics, so stay tuned.